One of the most talked about subject when it comes to your physique and making improvements to it is protein. Here's a 5-minute guide to the most crucial nutrient to your body's functioning. Let's start with the basic. What is protein? So 20 amino acids chain up together to form one protein molecule. There are 3 types of amino acids. First is non-essential amino acids. These are produced enough by your body. Second is essential amino acids. So these amino acids are not produced by the body and need to be derived from your diet. Third is conditionally essential amino acids. So these amino acids are usually produced by your body but becomes essential under certain circumstances. For example, when you're under stress. Nine out of 10 individuals consume less than adequate protein. Here are a few signs of protein deficiency. If you notice a combination of 2 or more signs, then you need to add more protein to your diet. 80% of your body functions require protein. If you want to fight off infections, you require antibodies. If you want to send message from your brain to the muscles, you require neurotransmitters. And for the food you eat needs to be broken down into smaller particles for digestion. You require enzymes. And all of these requires protein. Whether you need to make new cells, build immunity, repair muscles after your workout, boost metabolism, or burn fat, all of these require protein. How much protein you need depends upon several factors, especially your workout. For someone who doesn't work out and has a sedentary lifestyle, the basic recommendation of protein is 0.8 grams of protein per kg body weight every day. For example, if you weigh around 68 kgs, then you need to consume around 54 grams of protein. However, if you're someone who is involved into light to high intensity workout, then you need to consume 1 to 2 grams of protein per kg body weight daily. If you have diabetes, then focus on 1.2 grams of protein. For people with hypothyroidism, focus on 1 to 1.2 grams of protein. If you are a woman with hormonal imbalances trying to lose weight, then add 1 gram of protein per kg body weight. It is completely your choice. So there are 2 protein sources coming from animals and plants. Plant sources such as cereals, grains, pulses, nuts and seeds are incomplete protein sources except for soy. Animal sources such as dairy, eggs, chicken, meat are complete protein sources. So to make the most out of the incomplete protein, you need to combine them with the complete ones. For example, you can combine your rice with curd. Or to make a porridge, you can combine your cereals with milk. Out of all the plant protein, soy protein is the only plant source which has a complete profile of amino acids. So you can include soy milk and tofu if you want to meet your protein requirement being a vegetarian. Other than this, one of the best protein quality comes from whey. It is made from milk and absolutely safe for consumption. Every single gram of whey protein is absorbed and utilized well by your body, whereas other protein sources have an absorption rate of only 70 to 90%. There are 3 ways protein can help you burn fat. First, protein increases lean muscle growth. Higher the muscle, more your body has to work in order to maintain it. This increases your metabolism. Second, around 30% protein's energy goes into digestion and absorption, creating a natural calorie deficit. Third, protein increases the level of leptin and reduces ghrelin. This controls your hunger and prevents you from overeating. Protein absolutely causes no harm since its absorption and digestion takes longer than you think. 70% of people don't even cross 1 gram of protein intake per kg body weight. So limiting of protein is usually suggested to people with kidney diseases only. Protein is not just needed for building muscles, but also for the overall growth and repair, as well as for the production of hormone and enzymes. Its deficiency usually pairs itself with metabolic disorders. So consume enough protein. Too much of protein can only convert itself into fat when you are in a calorie surplus. Protein is not as quickly converted as carbs or fats due to its thermic effect, where 30% of protein's energy goes into digestion and absorption. Studies done to prove this are not conclusive. Soy contains phytoestrogen, whose structure is similar to the female reproductive hormone estrogen. This phytoestrogen gets destroyed when soy is processed further in the form of tofu or soy milk. Protein can definitely help you lose fat, but you shouldn't only rely on protein. No single nutrient can give you results until and unless you pair it up with the right proportion of other nutrients too. Whey protein can be consumed both by men and women whether they exercise or not to meet their protein requirement. And for the ones who do exercise can consume it post-workout. What do you think? Did that clear up your protein confusion? Drop a comment below if you have any doubts.